All right, in this problem, we're going to tackle this new idea of moles and how to use it in calculations. So the best way to do this is to use this system of dimensional analysis that we learned previously. It helps us learn where we're at, think of a unit plan, and get to where we need to go. There are a lot of different ways we can ask mole questions. You can go from grams to moles to molecules, or molecules to moles to grams, or just moles to molecules. And we'll see a lot of those as we go forward. This is more of a brief introduction. We will tackle this more in a few weeks when we dive deeper into it. But just to understand moles and their calculations, let's work through this problem. Okay, so in this case, the question is how many molecules are there? And we're told moles. So we learned that you can go grams to moles to molecules, or molecules to moles to grams. You're not always doing that. In this case, we're only doing this step. Now, anytime either here or here, between molecules and moles, we're going to use Avogadro's number. Now, the equivalency that we're looking at is there are that many molecules or that many atoms or that many basketballs, whatever you want. It's a counting unit in 1 mole. So we start with moles. So we have 35.8 moles CH4. Now we need to get out of moles into molecules. And we're going to put the numbers in the right place. So this is where this process helps. So this one goes here, and the 1 goes down there. We've canceled moles and we're in molecules. Now, the other thing is that gut check, right? I am solving for a number of molecules. Anytime I have a reasonable amount of anything, it's going to be a ginormous number. So 35.8 times 6.02. I'm going to use my EE button, raised to the 23rd. So in my calculator, it looks like this. And I get 2.16. I'm going to go 3 sig figs times 10 to the 25th molecules. That's a lot, and it should be a lot, right? We have 35 moles. Moles is this way of making a reasonable amount of something from trillions and trillions and trillions of molecules. So if you have mole, you have 1 mole, you have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So 35 moles should be 35 times that. Let's try that. Before we do that, let's think. So if I had grams, I would have to multiply by grams per mole from molar mass. This comes from the periodic table, and then I would say moles to molecules. So I have an additional step there. Okay, 2.16 times 10 to the 25th. There we go.